Hello friends, welcome you again on my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you like my work. Today we will make this simple cup using SolidWorks and AutoCAD both. And we will try to compare these two software and what are the basic advantages and disadvantages of these two software in sense of time consuming. But we can make in both the software. So go to new part design, double click on it and convert it into CGS. Take top 10 and sketch. Now draw a circle. Start from the origin and keep radius 2.05. Enter. Okay, now exit and take a new plane with reference to top plane and keep the distance 1.5. Enter. Okay. Now select plane 1, go to sketch and again draw a circle starting from origin and keep the radius 3. Exit. Again take a plane with reference of top plane and this time keep it 4.8. Okay, we need one more plane and this time delete it and take the reference of top plane and keep distance of 6.1. Enter. Okay, now go to plane 2 and sketch. Draw a circle from origin of radius 2.6. Exit. Now plane 3, sketch circle from origin, keep radius 3.1. Enter. Okay, now hide all the plane. Just right click on it and hide and this one, sorry, from here hide. Now exit and select the lofted boss. Select one by one this one and this one and be careful about this. These four dots should be in one line because if these dots are in not a single line, then it will give a undesirable product. Like if we move it, then you can see it that we don't want this type of product. So just move it and or you can press Ctrl 2 and drag all the point at till the end. Okay, now so now select this pen and go to sketch. Select this circle, convert entities, take offset of this circle in a reverse direction of 0.3. Enter. Okay, now exit and extruded cut. Select only the inner portion. Okay, now cut 0.2. Okay, now fillet apply fillet of 1. Okay, now again fillet now here of 0.2. Enter. Okay, now go to the right plane and sketch. Press Ctrl plus 8 and now select this line and convert entities. Now take point here and another one here. Okay, now take the spline command, start from here, here, make sure you are not crossing this upper line, and this okay. Now exit and take a new plane, select this one and this point. Now plane has been created. Okay, now here and sketch. Now draw a circle of radius 0.3. Okay, now exit and select the swept boss and select the path, this one. Okay, now here select both the direction and go to option and align. So that this endpoint is perfectly can align with this body. Now you can see it. Okay, now hide this plane. Okay, now take cell command and point 1. Okay, now fillet and now choose this one because we want to fillet this surface. So first select this surface, second this one, and third this one. Now you can see that fillet has been created. Press OK. Okay, now it's completely ready. You can give material to it. So for giving material, go here and here stone. Go to architectural or white marble or whatever you wish, you can give it. Now the same product we will design in AutoCAD. So take the circle command and draw a circle of 2.05. Enter. Now go to isometric view and zoom it out. Now it's okay. Now take another circle. It's above 1.5 centimeter from the bottom one. Now here you can see that we don't need to make any plane. Directly we can design. Now its diameter is radius is 3. Enter. Now take the third circle from here. It's 4.8 and radius is 2.6. Enter. Now circle from the bottom, make sure it goes through the z axis and 6.1. Enter. And the radius is 3.1. Enter. Now go to 3D modeling. From this drop down, select lot and select 1 by 1. Sorry. Okay, now select first this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now hit enter, double enter. Now changing the view style, go to realistic. Now you can see Here we don't need to maintain the points in serially. By default it made make like that. And now just rotate it and draw a circle here. Find out the center point. For find out the center point, make sure the snap is on. If it is off, then it will not show. So give it 1.75. Enter. Now choose press pull and zoom out it to make sure that it goes upward. Yes. So give it 0.2. Enter. Now we need to give fillet. So go to solid tab, here fillet, apply fillet of R, enter for giving radius, and 1, enter. Now again hit double enter to come out from this command, and again select filter, fillet. Now this time apply here and R, enter, 0.2, enter, double enter. Okay. Press escape. Okay. Come to the front and take spline, draw a spline like that. Okay, enter. Make sure in snapping the nearest is on to show the nearest point. And now take circle and a circle of 0.3, enter. To see, just rotate it, escape. Now sweep, select, enter, and the path, this one, enter. Now just rotate it and you can see that there is a gap. It's not completely merged with this one because AutoCAD has no such option like SolidWorks to align with the face. So if you want that it should to avoid this one, you can increase the spline inside this, so it can go inside and look like a original one. So now we are not going to do this. We will make it hollow from inside. Okay, go to solid tab, here one command, cell. Now select the body. Now select the surface. Now hit enter. Now you have to give the offset distance, which will be the thickness of this object. So keep it 0.1, enter. Okay, now hit again enter, enter. Now apply fillet, enter, hit double enter. Okay, now it's ready. Now I think you can understand the advantages and disadvantages of these two softwares. If I talk about AutoCAD, it is very good for drafting because here no need to select plane individually where SolidWorks you need to select the plane individually. And if we talk about the SolidWorks, uh, it has very advanced option to make any object, and its graphics look very nice. So now it's your preference which software you will use. My preference, any object can be made using any software, but we have to be careful about time. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, subscribe my channel, and share with your friends who are interested in that field. Thank you.